Good morning. In this session, we are going to discuss a very important topic in C programming, structure. What is structure? Why structure? How to create one? And what is nested structure? How to access members of structure by name of structure and by address of structure. Address of structure is nothing but structure pointer. Okay. Now let us start with the first one. So consider an object employee. Every employee has an ID, has a name, salary, department, and address. Okay, or leave it. Let us call this as city. If there are 100 employees, there are 100 IDs, 100 names, 100 salaries, 100 departments, and 100 cities. Right? Now, we store IDs in ID array. We store names in names array, salaries in salaries array, department in department array, city in city array. Let us see how does it look like. This is ID array having 100 items or 100 elements. This is name array, right? Similarly, you have salary array, department array, and so on. If I want the information of one particular employee, I'll have to go through several arrays. For ID, I go to ID array. For name, I go to name array. For salary, I go to salary array. For department, I go to department array. It takes a lot of time to get information of one particular employee. Instead of that, if you have employee even information all at one place, ID, name, department, salary, city, say all at one place. Employee to information at one place. Okay, is this clear? Then you need not travel through all the arrays. In one particular place, you get all the information of a particular employee. This will reduce the time of searching, time of accessing the data. This is the very basic concept of structure. A structure is a user-defined data type where you can bundle the information of an object at one place. Okay, let us create a structure and see the advantage of it. Say I choose an online compiler. Let us go to Chrome. Many of us used to work with Chrome. This website by name onecompiler.com. Here you get all the compilers. Choose C compiler. Okay. Now create a structure by struct keyword. Where the structure name is employee. The structure definition begins. It has ID as one parameter, name, which is a character array, assuming that name may not need more than 20 characters, and then department, not more than 10 characters, I believe. Salary, maybe 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. City, again a character array, maybe not more than 20 characters. These are members of the or parameters of user defined data type employee. You create user defined data type using struct keyword, and then you need to put a semicolon at the end of definition. Now you can create as many structures as you want. I have, say, 2 employees, E1 and E2, right? Now I want to store information of E1 at one place. So E1.id is equal to 1001. Now name is a string. You cannot use assignment statement. You must go for string copy, which I told you earlier. For that, you need to include string.h, which contains definitions of all the string handling functions. Now, string copy, destination is e1.name, source is Vijay. Next, salary. Salary is integer, so you can use assignment statement. So 1 lakh. Now again, city. The structure parameter is accessed by using dot operator. Now this is city. Let the city is Hyderabad. Right? One more thing is there, that is department. Let the department is admin. Department is admin. Instead of storing it in different arrays, I stored information of one particular employee at one place. Now, let us print all the information of one particular employee. So first one is integer, 10 positions to print it. Second one is name. So let us give 20 positions for it. Format code is S. Third one is department. Another 20 positions to print it. Fourth one is integer. Say 10, assuming that there are maximum of 10 digits. And finally, city, not more than 20 characters. The first one you would like to print ID. Second one is name. Third one is department. Structure name is E1. Member is ID, name or department. Structure name dot member name is a syntax, followed by salary, followed by city, right? Now, let us run it and see. Is this clear? ID, name, department, salary, and city. I hope you understand it. Fine. So let us reduce number of positions. So that you see everything in one single screen. Okay, check it. Except city, all are in one single place. Clear? Next, let us create one more structure. This time it is E2. Let ID is 2001. Name is Ajay. Department is sales. Working from Bangalore. Sales are very important people, and the salary is per lakhs. And this is about employee E2. Okay, now let us print this as well. What are you printing? You are printing E2. right? Check it. Now you need a new line character, otherwise everything will be printed in one single line. Hope you understand it, right? Now let us try to understand one more concept called structure pointer. Let us create one structure pointer to employee structure. Say PTR are pointer to employee. Right? In this, let us store the address of second employee. Right? Now, what is P? What is PEMP? It is a pointer. And let us take it as only P. P stores address of employee E2. Now I want to access data of employee 2 using the address instead of name. For that, you have a special operator called arrow. Dot when you access data using a structure name. Arrow when you access data with address. And this is how you access data if you know the address. Right? You may think that I'm showing the same output. I'll later change the name to Amala. Later change department to marketing. Right? Is this clear? Amala and marketing. Dot to access data with structure name. Arrow to access data with address of structure. I have shown you both. So in this video, what we discussed are what, why, how to create one, okay, and access by name of structure and access by address. Let us also try to understand what is nested structure. Let me open a new sheet. This is employee. He has parameter ID. He has parameter name. Department, salary, and city. Right? Now, name itself is a composite data. Name contains first name, name contains middle name contains last name. Name itself is a composite data type having three components. I hope you understand it. First name is your name, middle name is your father name, last name is your surname. Like Sachin, Ramesh, Tendulkar. Hope you understand it, right? Sunil, Jagannath, Wag. Right. Let us see how to create a nested structure. Let us create a structure name. It has three parts. First one is first name, not more than 20 characters. Second one is middle name, not more than 20 characters. And third one is last name, not more than 20 characters. Okay. Now, your name is not a single parameter. Your name is a structure, right? Which has three parts. So let us give it a name. Let us call it as tell me what name you would like name to have. Let us call it as capital N. Okay. Right now, name is a structure within employee structure. So how do you copy name? Name has three parts. In E1, and then for the name of name structure, capital N, it has three parts. First name. What is the first name? Sachin. Then name structure has three components. Next one is this N has three components. Next one is middle. This is middle. Ramesh. It has one more component, one more parameter, that is last. What is last? So Tendulkar. Right? Now how do you print them? How do you access them? First, employee structure. Within that you have name structure. Within that you have, so let us do one thing. Let us print name separately. It has three strings. Say each has 10 positions. The surname is bigger in this case. What is the first one? For the name of employee structure, EMP. In EMP, what you have? You have name. And name has first, name has N has three parts. What are they? First, middle, next, what is the employee structure name? E1. In E1 we have N. In N we have three parts, three components, right? Last. New line character. Similarly, for employee 2, for employee 2, name has three parts. Amala, Father name is Madhav. Surname is Jadhav. Okay. And he's part of structure E2. Right. Now let us print the name structure values within employee structure. This is E2. In E2, we have N. N has first, middle, and last as parameters. You can see here, I created two employees, E1 and E2, right? And E1, E2 both have N, and N has three parameters. So let us print the data. And this is an example for nested structure. Okay. Now let us use a pointer. This is pointer P, right? What is P? Address of E2. Think this has to be removed. This has to be removed. Is this clear? In a single example, I demonstrated how to create a structure, how to create a nested structure, how to create structure instances, how to access data by structure name, how to create a nested structure, how to access data if there is structure inside a structure, how to create a pointer to structure, how to store address, and how to access data using the address. Okay. So please practice it by having your own example to understand it thoroughly. This is all about structures we should know in C programming language. Okay. In C++, we have structures, and we have an advanced topic called class, which is very much similar to it, but having more features than it. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you understand it. Keep watching. My next video is on dynamic memory allocation. Thank you.